isipin niyo, may mga panalangin tayo na hindi makakabuti sa atin. Ang dami kong panalangin sa Diyos na hindi niya sinagot. Pero right now, mukha lang akong bagets ha. Matanda na akis. I'm thanking God for those prayers na hindi niya in-answer kasi makakasama pala para sa akin. Hindi lang sa mabubuting bagay o masasayang bagay ako nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon. Nagpapasalamat tayo sa discipline din ni Lord sa atin. Because He disciplines those who He loves. He loves you. He loves you. You were disappointed at one point in your life and you felt like, maybe God doesn't hear me. No, you know what? Inadya ka ng Panginoon sa kapahamakan. God, gusto ko talaga maging jowa yun. Ba't di mo binigay sa akin? Buti na lang di binigay ni Lord sa iyo. O, tignan mo. Ikaw talaga yun. Joke lang. But God disciplines those who He loves. Ang daming times, I have been disciplined publicly, being canceled and all. But I thank God that He let me go through that. Because I was headed for destruction. He humbled me publicly. Some might say He humiliated you. No. He humbled me. Wala na ibang sa integrity or reputation. What I hold on to is how God sees me. That's more important. No, Ate Ying, because you're special, you're a celebrity, that's why you're saying that. Ay, nako, kung alam niyo lang, kung kilala niyo lamang ako. I have so many struggles and have so many insecurities that people know nothing about. Pero nakikita yun ng Panginoon, and He still called me His daughter. Please, Abby, don't be afraid. Hindi kayo kailangan maging perfecto dito. You are welcome in the house of God. You are welcome here. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, welcome home. Welcome home. Woo! Jesus. So my life. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life, say, all my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Oh, I will sing of the Apostol Jonathan, mamaya dalawahin na naman ako. Huwag kang iiyak. Umiyak pa rin talaga ako. Grabe ang pag-ibig ng Panginoon. Walang katulad. Walang kahit ano. Ang dami ko na po sinubukan. Na ibang tapal sa butas ng puso ko. Pero presensya niya lang po talaga ang kailangan ko.